So hello everyone, am I live? So hello everyone, am I live? Yeah, I am, I guess. Let me check the stream quality. So yeah, everything is fine. So let's start. Hello everyone, this is going to be my first live. Let's see how it goes. Uh, I just wanted to see how all these things work. So let's not waste much time, and I have something in my mind, not much, but let's try to let's try to brainstorm on something, and then let's go to code and create something. So I have thought of something, medicine reminder, that you can already see on the screen. I don't know how it is looking on the screen. Let me check it myself. Yeah, I guess everything is looking fine. Sorry for that. I'm having a little cold. So let's start. Let me first present the idea, like what I have thought. Uh, I've thought of something of medicine reminder. Like uh, there are a lot of people who used to who take medicine every day, and there are multiple products out there with this. But I thought, why not add one more to the list? And this time it would be a I have seen mostly there are Android applications and iOS applications. So let's create a web application for this. Let's see how it goes. So this is what I have thought of. Uh, so let's say in your home or anywhere else, there are aged persons uh, who need to take medicine regularly, and there are a lot of use cases where people forget to take their medicine, or no one reminds them of, if they do not have someone who keeps on reminding them. So it is pretty hard to also get the history of the medicine, like which medicine you are taking from which date. uh, Most people do not keep track of it. They just eat medicine and that's all. So let me just note all these things down, so that it would be easier for us to just start it off. What I have thought of, I have also uh, set up a little. I have also do a little setup. So the feature would be simply like, just let's see, uh, medicine addition. Anyone can add medicine, and add medicine addition with, okay, let's keep it separate, medicine schedule. So each medicine is having its schedule, and then schedule can be further divided into, there are medicine that we need to take 3 times a day, 2 times a day, or even once a day. So it can be breakdown on basis of time, which is again morning, afternoon, and at night. Then it can be broken down. Oh, why I'm not getting this? Okay, never mind. Okay, I got it. Next, it can be on date basis, like daily, weekly, and in weekly there will be cases of day of the week. day of the week plus time as above, like it can be morning, afternoon or night, or even all the three timestamp. And then there are some medicine which need to be taken on monthly basis also, like in monthly there can be date, and in date there can be again time. Wait, let me just write this time as above. So these all are the schedules which is the most common. And then let's see what all is there in the medicine reminder thing. A person can add a medicine addition, deletion, and all, like medicine crud with images. This is the this is the part that can't be ignored, because like let's say your father or someone of 60 or 90 60 or 70 age group is taking some medicine. So we have got a lot of medicine to take, and then it is quite difficult to remember the medicine by their name. So what people used to do is they just remember the color and all, like color of medicine, like basically on the property of the medicine that they see, you know. So that's why images are quite important. Then there is CRUD schedule, and then the main part comes is reminding. In reminding in web, what we can do is we can shoot up an email, which most people do not check, and we can shoot up a post notification, like push notification, which can be again enabled by a PWA or something. PWA, or you can say just service workers and all, but if we are creating a service worker, we will just create it a PWA, not a big deal. And then we can use other things that are used for reminding that most people use, which is Google Calendar. We can just add a integration. So let me explain it a little more. Integration with Google Calendar. Integration with Google Calendar events, like there are events in Google Calendar. Let us just check it out. Calendar, Google sorry for this, Google Calendar events. Let's see what they have for developers. So this is organizer start. They have a start and they have an end. So basically we can just start it at the time that we need, and there might be some way to send the reminder also. Reminder, yeah. So there's a concept of reminder, which I can just copy and expand it on. What is reminders? Information about the events reminder for the authenticated user. Note that changing reminder does not change the updated property of enclosing event. Okay. Then this is overrides in a number of minutes before the start of the event. So we can just set it to 15 minutes or 10 minutes. Uh, Sorry everyone, I just got some work to do. Yeah, I'm back now. So let's continue where we were. Let me remove this, Control Z, and I guess we are good. I hope you can hear me now. Let me check it myself. Yeah, everything is under control, everything is working fine. So if there is anyone who have joined, uh, I don't think so anyone will even join. But yeah, so let's continue. It will be working as a document for me. Never mind. So we were on, we can do this like Google Calendar integration with Google Calendar events with reminder functionality. So what we are doing is we are just offloading the reminder to Google via Google Calendar integration. Sorry for that. So integration with Google Calendar events with reminder functionality. So we are offloading the reminding part to Google via Google Calendar integration. Or we can even do this also. This also seems to be good. So email, we will keep it out of scope because no one checks email here. So push notifications is there, then calendar integration will be there. Then what else we can use for reminding purpose? Let's go to ChatGPT, and I hope you can see the screen. I am building a medicine reminder application. First, let me ask it to be in some context. You are a senior product manager. Uh, Senior product manager, that's it. I'm building a medicine reminder application. Let's brainstorm it together, and the main focus should be on solving the problem and get rid the idea really quick. So I have thought of all these things till now. Let me give it a context. Copy paste. It will itself take it. Now I have decided to implement the reminder functionality using push notifications and GC integration. Wait, let me be more specific. Google Calendar events integration with their reminder functionality, or leveraging their, let's be a little more funky. Reminder functionality, can you tell me some more ways of reminding user? Let's see what it gives. SMS email reminder, we have already thought of. SMS would be we can actually implement it, but for this we need to get the DLT registration and whatnot. So these are out of scopes. In app alarms, I don't think so we can use alarms in PWA alarms. Let us check what all functionality this PWA provides. So there used to be an application where you can not this. set the alarm by PWA. Setting background timers isn't just no, I don't need any timer, and also it is not possible variable device integration again. This I'm not sure. Voice assistant, automated calls and all, I'm not gonna give. LED blink family. So we can also implement this like notifying the secondary person also. Let us just jot it down. Reminder sending to secondary person plus primary. This could be a point. And then heavy tracking gamifications and all these all are for later stages and all. Customize the reminder tones and all. I do not have any location based reminders, integrated social platforms and all. No, I am building a web application, so give me few ways to implement reminders using what I can actually implement. So again, it says PWA, which we have already thought of. Browser notifications is not something, because for this the user should have kept the app open 24/7, which is not possible. Email reminders again we have thought of, but we won't. SMS also we won't. In-app alarms, again in-app, for anything that can be in-app we need to make sure that the app is always on the front side, like user is always on the application, which is not possible. Google Calendar, we have thought of it. Service worker based alarms, to schedule background tasks that send reminders via notifications. Again, this is same, I guess. This is the push notification thing. Recurring in-app, everything is same. Audio alert, but everything needs to be in-app, right? In-app is out of scope, so again we are left with only these three that we have already discussed. So let's not complicate things. Let me it is not looking good. Yeah, now it is good. Okay, so we have thought of these two for now. This can be not a priority. This can be in phase 2 if we ever complete the phase 1. Let me see. Okay, I had got a visitor. I don't know who is watching me writing some gibberish on my Google Doc. ठीक है, तो next thing would be I don't think so we need any other feature. Profile management and all, I don't consider them as features. Medical cred, we have already. Medical history is something we can maintain, which again medical on phase 2. And also one more thing, medicine detection from an image, like user uploads a consultant image, or what we said, consultant's image. Okay, never mind. Consulting image, prescription image, and we detect the medicines. Query the internet, get the list of first of all, detect the medicine, add it in our application, add it in our web app. Show user to add reminders on these medicines. Then this is something which can be secondary, where we can just query the internet, get the list of items that user should be not consuming, something which he is not supposed to consume or is reactive to his health. And what else? That's it. I don't think so. I'm not getting any new idea. Sorry. So that's it. Let's not waste much time. Let's start on implementation part. Implementation. I guess we have a fair idea of what we need to build. So for implementation, let's first see what we can use as a text check, which enables us to make it very quickly. Again, text check would be front end, back end, and then a deployment. For front end, I either Svelte or React. So I would prefer personally Svelte, as I have much more hands-on Svelte rather than React. So in Svelte also it's Svelte kit. React के साथ I will add a Next.js. Then again, backend would be Supabase for sure. I do not want to create the API routes and all. Supabase with RLS, as this is a medical history, we need to secure our data. Like we need to secure the user data somehow. Not much security like encryption and all is not required, but yeah, RLS database security should be there. Then for deployment, simply Versal or Remix. No, I would suggest Versal only. So our stack is pretty much straightforward. I don't think so we need any fancy stuff out there. Let me present it beautifully. Yeah. So I guess I can zoom out a little bit. That's it. We are ready with our features and all. Let's jump on to creating stuffs. So I have already set up a folder and all. I have a basic SvelteKit application with me, which I have created from my SvelteKit starter kit, which I'm using in my local for creating multiple projects. Let me first show you what I have here. Let me directly go to the packages and all, testing and all. I don't think so we need. Then I have SvelteKit version 2. Svelte, I guess we are on version 3. Again, everything is a dev dependency. We have proper linting. We have prettier setup. We have PG. I don't think so we need PG. Let's remove PG. Let's see if it is used anyway. Package lock. Okay, no, we do not need. Then okay, I'm on version 4. Great. Then we are using Svelte check to, again, this will be used for linting and all. I don't think so. We are having where is RTS config? Yeah, so everything is by default configuration. I don't think so I have changed much. Then we are having tailwind and all. Tailwind setup, let me show you. I have a pretty good tailwind setup, like colors and all is all set up using best practices, and like for enabling dark mode and light mode, which is pretty straightforward. Then let me show you VT configs, test and all. We do not need all these. Let's see my env file. Okay, you got to see my service key, which is half cut, so I don't think anyone can consume it. I should have not shown it, I guess. Can can anyone copy? I don't think so. So let's just don't care about it. Then what all things we have? We have Superbase JS client on version 2. I guess we can update this, but never mind. Then let me show you the app.css. Here is our colors and all in again RGB format. Pretty straightforward. Tailwind configurations. Library, we have components, theme toggler, which is for dark and light theme. We have a store for theme. Yeah, pretty good setup. But if you, okay, I'm checking if you are on client side. That's great. Then types, we do not have much. Constant, okay, this is fine. Index.ts, I don't think so. We can just remove this file. Just delete it. Then routes, charts. What is charts doing here? Let's remove only layout.svelte. I'm having theme toggler and all, and okay, this is from my previous project. Let me get rid of all these things. I don't think anyone have seen it, or if you have seen it, no issues. I don't care. Docs we do not need because these are all RLS related docs. Let's see the readme not sorry. This is again Svelte boilerplate, or let it be. So let's install the packages. So our packages have been installed. I don't think so you can see this much. Let me zoom in a little bit. And then let me show you the page.set. Let me run the server. Let me try to run the server. npm run dev. I hope nothing breaks. So yeah, everything is fine. Let's move to localhost 5173. So yeah, our application is up with basic dark mode and light mode setup. I think I'm gonna end the stream now. I need to have lunch. So meet you after the lunch.